What up, what up, what up? This is Stylist John with Luxury Spa Services. www.stylistjohn.com. Today I'm doing a sugar scrub. I'm doing a sugar scrub. This service is really good for exfoliating your pores. Your skin will have a nice glow. Sugar and salt look very similar, but sugar has different properties. Our body produces sugar naturally in melanin. And this sugar scrub helps to get the first layer of skin off. Salt preserves. Sugar helps to glow. You ever seen somebody whose skin had a really nice glow to it? I know around my cheek areas right here, sometimes I get like dark circles. I had to drink lots of water and put cucumbers underneath there. It's really good to treat yourself. You know, you work hard, you be at work long hours, take care of yourself. Get a luxury spa service. All services include a 10-minute massage on the feet, and if you like the hour-long service, you'll get a 30-minute massage on the back, the neck, and the legs. Luxury spa services. Self-care is the best care. www.stylistjohn.com. This thing feels so amazing. And it smells like lemon. After long days of work, on your off day or when you get off of work, treat yourself.